Hello everyone, welcome to the KVP Physics Academy. Today we are going to the study of the mathematical physics. In this, we can study the said question paper solutions. Okay, now we can start now 2011 question. What is the value? The value of this series, value of this series, 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus and so on. Okay. Now suppose we consider this part as a y part. This part as a y part. Means y is equal to 1 plus. This term considered as a y. Means this become y is equal to 1 plus 1 upon y. Okay. And again we consider whole term as a y. Whole term as a y. Yes or no? Because this one is a large number of values. Okay. This considered as a y. Next. Suppose remove this hand. Again this is like that. Same series. Yes or no? Again this whole term considered as a y. Means y is equal to 1 plus this part again considered as a y. Means y is equal to 1 plus 1 upon y. Both sides multiplied by y. Then this become y square is equal to 1 plus y. Okay. Y get cancelled 1. Taking on this side, then this become y square minus y minus 1 is equal to how much? 0. Okay. Means this equation getting which type? This one is a quadratic equation. Okay, like a quadratic equation, x square plus bx plus c is equal to how much? 0. Okay, means here power is a 2. Power is 2 means we're getting 2 roots. Power is 2 means we're getting 2 roots. Okay, we can find out the a value, b value and c value. Then what is the value of x? X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a upon how much? 2a. Okay, this is the roots of this quadratic equation. Now our quadratic equation is y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Means what is the value of a, b, c? A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to how much? Minus 1. Substitute all the value in this equation, then y is equal to minus, and what is the value of b? Minus 1 minus plus under root b square means minus 1 square minus 4ac 4 into a is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 1 upon 2a 2 into 1. Okay, means y is equal to minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus or minus under root b square plus 1 minus into minus plus 4. Okay, upon 2. This is equal to how much? 1 plus or minus under root 5 divided by 2. 1 plus or minus under root 5 upon 2. Okay. Means so y is equal to, we can finding the root 5 value. We getting to 2.23. We getting 2.23. Means 1 plus or minus 2.23 upon 2. Okay. Means this is equal to getting 2 roots. How many roots? 2 roots. Okay. y1 is equal to 1 minus 2.23 upon 2. Okay, means this is equal to how much? Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1.23 upon 2. Means this is like a 0 point something. Okay, this is getting first y1 value. Y2 value we can take, here is a plus, means y2 is equal to 1 plus 2.23 upon 2. 1 plus 2.23 means this becomes 3.23 divided by 2. Okay, 2 to 1 remaining is 16. 1.8 means here we are getting two values. Which values? Two values. y1 is equal to suppose 1.6 and y2 is equal to suppose minus 0.5. Okay, which one answer is correct one for this series? Which one answer is correct for this series? Got it? See here. One answer is minus 0.5. Second answer is 1.6. Which one is correct? Simply see here. Here, which logic we can use? That's very important. See here, y is equal to this one. Y is equal to this one. Means 1 plus. Here is a something. 1 plus something is definitely greater than 1. Definitely greater than 1. Yes or no? And 1 minus something is definitely less than 1. Definitely less than 1. Means this value is a less than 1. Less than 1. This value is a greater than 1. Greater than 1. Means which value is allowed? Y1 is allowed or Y2 is allowed? Y2 is allowed. Why? Because here is a Y is equal to 1 plus something. Plus something, definitely this value is larger. Got it? Means which option is correct here? Option 1.6 is correct. 1.6. This answer is correct for plus sign. Plus sign. Suppose same series, but here sign is minus. Same series, sign is minus. Then we can take 0.5 answer is correct one. Our next two examples of 2011 set question paper. The real matrix A is equal to this one. Skew symmetric matrix when A is equal to 0, F is equal to 0, G is equal to H and F is equal to Z. This one is options for this one. But first one thing is that we know what is the relation of the skew symmetric matrix and symmetric matrix. We can take A is equal to getting A transpose. A is equal to A transpose. Then we can say this one is a symmetric matrix. This one is a symmetric matrix. Okay, symmetric matrix. We're getting A is equal to A transpose. Then we can say this one is a symmetric matrix. What is the difference between A and A transpose? Here ith rows and column is converted into rows is converted into column. Here this one is a row is converted into column and column is converted into row. Again we getting the same matrix. Then we can say this one is a skew symmetric matrix. We can say the skew symmetric matrix. And what is the skew? Symmetric matrix. Then what is the skew symmetric matrix nature? A is equal to minus A transpose. A is equal to minus A transpose. Then we can say this is known as a skew symmetric matrix. It is known as skew symmetric matrix. Got it? A is equal to A transpose, symmetric matrix. A is equal to minus A transpose, skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Got it? Now, what is the relation? Now here we can take, suppose as it is, don't take any value of A. Then we can reverse of this one, or we can take the transpose of this one. Then what is the transpose of this matrix? Transpose of this matrix is equal to rows is converted into column. Then this become A minus F minus Z. Yes or no? Next, the second row column is converted into row FAH. Next, third row Z minus H. Z minus H. A. Z minus H. A. Okay. Now, see here, in this case, suppose we need to take minus is common out. Suppose we can take the minus is common out and this matrix become A transpose minus, suppose we can take common out, then this matrix become minus A minus become plus F plus Z minus F minus A okay, minus A minus H minus H, next minus Z plus H minus A. Yes or no? We can take the minus is common out, then this become not a matrix. Yes or no? This is not become a matrix. Okay. Means what is the problem arise here? Because of minus A, because of this A, because of A this. Means we need to change this A in such a way that we can take A transpose. This matrix become again same of this one. Okay. Means we can substitute what value of A? What value of A? Then this matrix behave or become like that this matrix. Okay. We can substitute which value of A? Then this matrix and this matrix will be same. Suppose we can putting the G is equal to H. Don't see this matrix like that this one. We can substitute F is equal to G. Again, we cannot, these two matrices will be matches. Yes or no? Means here we can substitute A is equal to 0. A is equal to 0. Then A is equal to 0, this 0 and this 0. Okay. Matrix is like that. Minus 0, F, G. Next, minus F, 0, minus H, minus Z, minus H, 0. Okay. Means we can transpose this matrix and minus sign will become take common out. Again, this true matrix thing like the same. Means here also we can substitute the 0, 0, 0. Means 0 f z minus f a minus h minus z h 0. Okay, same replacement is here. We can take the minus is common out. Means this property will be satisfied if we can substitute the a is equal to 0 in this case. Means which option is correct for this case? Always memorize. For skew symmetric matrix, diagonal element must be 0. For skew symmetric matrix, symmetric matrix, diagonal element always 0. Diagonal elements are always how much? Always 0. This condition is a very important for which case? For a skew symmetric case. For which case? For skew symmetric case. Got it? Next, come to the point. Second problem. First one. Memorize some tricks. Memorize some formulas. Determinant of matrix is equal to product of eigenvalue. Determinant of A is equal to product of eigenvalue. Got it? First one, determinant of matrix is equal to product of eigenvalue. And second one, trace of matrix is equal to sum of eigenvalue. Okay, means we can take the trace of matrix is equal to sum of all eigenvalues. And the second one, determinant of matrix is equal to product of eigenvalue. Now come to the point, the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix. Here is a 3 by 3 matrix, means we are getting how many eigenvalues? 3 eigenvalues. Okay, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. And a determinant of A, suppose determinant of A is equal to lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Why we can take lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3? Because here is a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, second one. They are given determinant is equal to how much? 36. And they are given 2 eigenvalues. Which one? Lambda 1. What is suppose lambda 2? Lambda 2 is a 2. Lambda 3 is a 3. Okay. Means product of eigenvalue is equal to determinant. Means what is the value of lambda 1? Lambda 1 is equal to how much? 36. 3 into 2, 6. 36 divided by 6. Means the lambda 1 eigenvalue is equal to how much? 6. Lambda 1 is equal to 6. Okay. And they ask, what is the sum of eigenvalue is equal to? Means lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 is equal to, yes, lambda 1, 2, lambda 2, 3 plus lambda 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. Which option is correct? C option is correct. Or simply we can take the trial and error basis. We can use another method. So 36. 36 can be split into such a way that this product become 36. Okay. We can take the two numbers here. Suppose we can take the 12 into 3, suppose 12 into 3, 36. Here we are getting how many eigenvalues? 2 eigenvalues. But here is a 3 by 3 matrix. Hence we can again adjust one eigenvalue. Suppose this 12 can be split into 6 and 2. 6 and 2. 6 into 2, 12. 12 into 3, 36. Got it? 36 means lambda 1, lambda 2, 3 is equal to how much? This one. Okay. This is equal to how much? This one. This is the eigenvalue for this matrix. And what is the highest eigenvalue? Sometimes they ask what is the highest eigenvalue? Highest eigenvalue is equal to how much? 6. Highest eigenvalue is equal to how much? 6. Next question. A complex function f of z is given by this one. Here branch point is just likely new points. Okay. What is meant by branch point? A point of an analytic function is a point in the complex plane whose complex argument can be mapped from a single point in the domain to multiple points in the range. For example, consider a behavior of point z is equal to 0 under the power function. F of z is equal to e to the power a. Okay. Now this is a slightly new topics, branch point. Okay. Next remaining f of z is equal to root z 1 upon z minus a plus e to the power z plus e to the power z. Okay. Now here we can find out the which type of singularity is here. Which type of singularity is here. Now suppose we can take the f of z is equal to 1 upon z minus a means here at point z is equal to a. Function is not analytic. Function is not analytic. Function is not analytic. Not analytic. Analytic. Then this function, this point is known as. This point is known as singular point. Okay. This point is known as singular point. Okay. F of z is equal to 1 upon z minus a means that z is equal to a, this point is known as a singular point. Z is equal to a, this point is known as singular point. Okay, means we can check at a simple pole at a z is equal to a. Second, take the second part. F of z is equal to how much? F of z is equal to 1 upon z minus a means z is equal to a. This one is a z is equal to is a singular point. Means this one is simple. Simple pole means power is 1. Simple pole means power is 1. Suppose here is a 1 upon z minus a bracket square means is a multipole. This one is known as a multipole. Okay. And here power is 1. We can take the simple pole. Is known as simple pole. Means this one also correct. Okay. Simple pole at z is equal to here. Yes. Z is equal to a. Power is 1 means simple pole. Second one. Essential singularity at z tends to infinity. And a branch of point at z is equal to 0. Yes, a root. Here is a root. Hence, this one is a branch of point at z is equal to 0. Branch of point at z is equal to how much? 0. Branch of point at z is equal to 0. Means option number 2 also correct. Option number 2 also correct. Next, e to the power z. E to the power z. Suppose f of z is equal to e to the power z. E to the power z can be written as 1 plus e to the power x 1 plus z square upon 2 plus and so on. Okay, and so on. Okay, means here is a no any 1 upon z part, means no pp power, no pp. Principal part is absent here. Yes or no? Here no any pp part is present. Hence such type of singularity is known as without pp. Such type of singularity is known as essential singularity. Essential singularity. Got it? Means no any 1 upon z part. No any 1 upon z part is present in this case. Here all z are in numerator. No any 1 z part are present in denominator. Hence such type of singularity is known as a essential singularity. Okay? Means this third option also correct for this case. Means in this case first correct, second correct, third correct, then all options are correct. All options are correct. Next question. The position vector r is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus z cap. And what is the del dot r square r is given by. Okay. Here we can use the AB rule or del dot uv. Okay. Then we can take the 1 by 1 derivative. Okay. We can take v is common out. Del u plus second one. You can take common out, take del v. Okay. Next, del dot r square r. Okay. Or we can take del r square r outside. Okay. Plus second one, r square we can take common out, del r. Okay. R square derivative. I cap del is nothing but I dab upon dab x, j cap dab upon dab y plus k cap dab upon dab z. And what is the value of r square? R square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. And what is the value of r? R is nothing but xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Got it? Plus second one, r square outside, del means I dab upon dab x plus j dab upon dab y plus k dab upon dab z. Okay, and what is the value of r? R is nothing but xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Got it? Solve one by one. X square derivative with respect to x, 2x. Okay, and then this is equal to how much? 2x I cap dot here x I cap, x I cap. Next, y square derivative with respect to y, 2y j cap dot y j cap dot y j cap. Similarly, z square derivative with this one, 2z k cap dot z k cap. This one is the first part. Second part, plus r square is nothing but x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, and what is this? X derivative with respect to x, 1. Y derivative with respect to y, x derivative with respect to x, x derivative with respect to x, 1. I cap dot I cap, 1. Okay, 1 plus. Next, y derivative with respect to y, 1. J cap dot j cap, 1. Next, z derivative with respect to z, k cap dot k cap, 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1. Next, see here, x cap, x, I cap, 1. X into x, 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square. 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square. Okay, and here x square plus y square plus z square is nothing but r square. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 1 plus 3. And here we can take the 2 is common out. Inside the bracket, x square plus y square plus z square plus 3r square. 3r square. X square plus y square plus z square is nothing but r square. Means 2r square plus 3r square is equal to how much? 5r square. 5r square. Which option is correct? This is not equal to 0. Always memorize. 5r square. Here we can use even to v rule and solve by this method. Got it? Next, the matrix of this one will become a singular if value of x. We know that matrix is a singular. What is the condition? For a singular matrix, condition, singular matrix, the determinant of A is equal to how much? 0. Yes or no? Singular and non-singular. Non-singular, determinant is not equal to 0. Determinant is not equal to 0. Okay. Determinant of A is equal to 0. Singular. This matrix is known as singular. And determinant of A is not equal to 0. Non-singular. Is known as a non-singular. Got it? Now, but they are given singular. What value of x? These become singular. Take 8 into 0, 0, 0. Minus 6 into 2, 12. Minus 12. Minus second one, x. 4 into 0, 0. 2 into 12, minus 24. Bracket complete is equal to 0. Multiplied inside. 8 into 12, minus 96. Minus become plus. 24x is equal to how much? 0. 24x is equal to 0. Okay. Means we can substitute what value of x? This becomes 0. This equation becomes 0. Substitute 12. 12 into 24, very large value. This is not equal to 0. Next, 8. 8 into 24, this also very large quantity. This difference is not equal to 0. Next, we can substitute 6. 624. 624. 624. This also not close to the minus 96. Okay, means this also not correct. Next, substitute the 4. 4 into 24. 24 into 4 plus minus 96. Okay, 4 4 6. 4 into 4 4 16. 1. 4 into 2 8. 8 plus 1 9. 96 plus 96 minus 96 is equal to how much? 0. Means what value of x? This become 0. This is equal to how much? 0. So x is equal to substituting the put x is equal to 0. We are getting this equation become 0. Is this determinant become 0? This determinant become 0. We can say this one is a singular point. Or we can take the minus 96 going to the right side. This become 24x is equal to 96. Then x is equal to 96 upon 24 is equal to how much? 4. Next question. The eigenvalue of matrix 1 2 3 0 4 7 0 0 3 are these four options are there. These four options are there. Generally, we can solve by this equation. A minus lambda is equal to 0. A minus lambda is equal to how much? 0. From this equation, we are getting lambda values. Here is a 3 by 3 matrix. Then we are getting lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3 value. This one, no? Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 values. Okay, but see, this one is a diagonal, upper triangular matrix. This one is a upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. Okay, upper triangular matrix. Eigenvalue are diagonal elements. Eigenvalue are diagonal elements. Diagonal elements. Okay, what is the diagonal element here? Diagonal element is this one. Okay, means what is the eigenvalue for this case? Lambda 1, 1, lambda 2, 4, lambda 3, 3, lambda 3, 3. Means 1, 4, 3 is the eigenvalue for this case. Option number 1. Okay, same matrix, but like that. Suppose 1, 2, 3. Next 7, 4, 7, 4, 0 and 3, 0, 0, 0. Okay, this one is lower triangular matrix. This one is lower triangular matrix. Then eigenvalue lambda 1, lambda 1. Here is a 3. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Take here. Okay. Then what is the eigenvalue? Lambda 1 is equal to 3. Lambda 2 is equal to 4 and lambda 3 is equal to how much? 1. Got it? This is the eigenvalue for this one. Means lower triangular matrix or upper triangular matrix. Diagonal element value is nothing but eigenvalue. Next, come to the differential equation. How to solve this differential equation? Suppose here we consider d upon dx. Consider suppose a d. Okay, d upon dx consider as a d. Then this become d square y plus 3d y plus 2y is equal to 0. Yes or no? Y we can take common out. Then this become d square plus 3d plus 2 bracket complete y is equal to 0. Yes or no? Y is not equal to 0. Means first part is equal to 0. Suppose again we consider m is equal d is equal to m. Then this become m square plus 2m plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we getting this one is a quadratic equation. Sorry, quadratic equation. Here we need to how to split this one. Here multiplication become 1. Addition become 3 and multiplication 2. Multiplication x into y is equal to how much? Multiplication 2 and addition x plus y is equal to how much? 3. Choose such factor. Simply you can multiply 2 into 1. 2 into 1. We getting multiplication is 3. Addition. Multiplication 2 and addition means 2m plus m plus 2 is equal to how much? 0. Okay. From first case we can take m is common out, means m plus 2. Second case we can take 1 is taken common out, 1 plus 2 is equal to how much? 0. Means we can two brackets m plus 2, m plus 1. M plus 2, m plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Means m is equal to, we getting minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. Means here roots are real. Roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. Then write down y is equal to c1 e to the power minus m1x, sorry, m1x plus c2 e to the power m2x. Okay. Means what is the value of m1, m2? Means what is the solution for this case? Solution for this case is equal to e to the power minus 2x. E to the power minus x, e to the power minus 2x. Only write down this part, okay, of the solution. Okay. Means in this case, which option is correct? E to the power minus x, e to the power minus 2x. One is method of this one. We can use another method also, no problem. Directly we can substitute this value in this equation. Okay. Take double derivative. E to the power minus x derivative minus 1. E to the power minus 1 derivative again minus 1 into dy by dx. Okay. Means y is equal to how much? E to the power now minus x plus take e to the power minus x derivative. This will become minus 3 e to the power minus x. Next 2y is plus 2 e to the power minus x is equal to how much? 0. Here minus into minus plus e to the power minus x plus e to the power 2 e to the power minus x minus 3 e to the power minus 3x. means they are cancelled to each other and this become 0. Means one of the solution of this differential equation is e to the power minus x. Similarly, we can substitute e to the power 2x also here. On this, y is replaced by e to the power minus 2x. Take the 2 times of derivative of this one, we are getting answer is equal to how much? 0. Means we can try by both methods as you wish. Next problem. The eigenvalue 2013, the eigenvalue of 2 by 2 matrix are 2 by 2 matrix are okay. Now we know the trace of matrix. Trace of matrix. Trace of A is equal to trace of matrix A is equal to sum of eigenvalue. Sum of eigenvalue. Sum of eigenvalue. What is the trace of matrix here? 2 plus 0 is equal to lambda 1 plus lambda 2. Lambda 1 plus lambda 2. First one. And the second one, determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to product of lambda into lambda 1 into lambda 2. Okay. Now here trace of matrix. Trace of matrix is 2. Trace of matrix is 2. Means sum of eigenvalue is equal to 0 plus 2. 2. This option also correct. Initial one. Next. 1 plus 3. This option is not correct because here addition is getting wrong. Next. 3 minus 1. 2. Means here also trace of matrix is equal to 2. Means sum of eigenvalue also proves. This condition will be satisfied. Next here. 1 plus I, 1 minus I. Plus I minus I get cancelled. Here also trace become 2. Yes or no? Means here is 3 options satisfying the first condition. 3 options satisfying the first condition. Then which of the following option is correct one? No anyone. Why? Because 3 options are correct one. Go to the second option. Determinant of A. What is the determinant of matrix? 2 into 0, 0. 1 into 3, minus 3. Okay. 0 minus 3. Means determinant of A is equal to minus 3. Means what eigenvalue? Getting the minus 3 value. 0 into 2, 0. 1 into 3, plus 3. We need minus 3. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Means which of the following option is correct one? 3 option is correct by using this trick. If you don't memorize this trick, directly you can solve A minus lambda is equal to 0. A minus lambda is equal to 0. Or you can memorize these properties of the matrix. Trace of matrix is equal to sum of eigenvalue. And determinant of matrix is equal to product of eigenvalue. Got it? Next. Come to the differential equation. Now. Next. D minus. Okay. Now. Here. The particular integral of the, Median's median is equal to, that. How to find out the particular integral? Particular integral I of, here we can find out the I of is equal to e to the power p of x dx, p of x dx, okay, and y into ip, I of integration factor is equal to q of x into I of dx plus c, yes or no? Y into I of integration q of x I of e to the power. First find out the I of. General equation dy by dx plus p of x. General dy by dx plus p of x y is equal to q of x. Finding p of x value. Then we are getting p of x is equal to minus 1. Then I of is equal to e to the power minus 1 dx. E to the power minus 1 dx. Means this dx integration x means e to the power minus x. Means in this case integrating factor is equal to e to the power minus x. Y into e to the power minus x is equal to, yes, q of x into e to the power minus x dx. How to solve this one? Take the x differentiation. X differentiation 1 differentiation 0. No need to go into the next. And take the e to the power minus x integration. E to the power minus x integration minus x upon minus 1. Take next e to the power minus x integration. E to the power minus x upon minus become plus 1. First we can plus cross multiplication. Second take minus. Okay. Here first plus into minus y e to the power minus x is equal to, yes, plus into minus. Here first case we can multiply by plus into minus x e to the power minus x, and the second one is minus into plus e to the power minus x. Okay. Now e to the power x going to this side, this divide, and this they are cancelled to each other. Then y is equal to, yes, minus x minus 1. E to the power x get cancelled. We can take e to the power minus x common out and they are cancelled to each other. Which of the following option is correct? C option is correct for given differential equation. For given differential equation also minus x minus 1. Next question. Which of the following correspond to root I where I is equal to minus 1? I is equal to minus 1. See here. We know that I. How to write down the I? I can be written as e to the power I pi by 2. E to the power I pi by 2. Okay. Yes or no? E to the power I pi by 2 is nothing but cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Okay. Cos pi by 2, 90, 0. Cos 90, 0. Okay. And I into sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Means I is equal to I. Yes or no? I is equal to I. Means what is the value of I? I can be written as e to the power I pi by 2. But our aim to find out is the root I value. Root I value. I root means I to the power 1 by 2. Means here e to the power I pi by 2 bracket is to 1 by 2. Okay. Means this can be written as e to the power I pi by 4. E to the power I pi by 4 is nothing but root I. Okay. And this can be written as cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. So cos pi by 4 means cos 45 1 by root 2 plus I sin 45 is a 1 by root 2. Means here 1 by root 2 take common out. What is the inside? 1 plus I. 1 plus I. Which of the following option is correct? 1 plus I. Option number A is correct. Option number A is correct. Just an adjustment of root I. Next. Again this one is upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix. Diagonal elements is nothing but eigenvalue. Diagonal elements is nothing but eigenvalue. What is the diagonal elements? 1 I minus I. 1 minus I. I1 minus I. Means this is which of the option is correct here? Option number this one. No need to take the product of eigenvalue and determinant of eigenvalue. Nothing at all. Just to take the diagonal elements for upper triangular or lower triangular matrix. Third one. Which of the following equations satisfy these conditions? Okay. Means we can substitute the 1 by 1 value. This psi value is nothing but x square minus y square. Second psi value is nothing but x square y square. Third value is x square plus y square. Fourth value x square minus y square. X square minus y square. We can substitute this value in this equation. Doesn't getting the 0. Why? Because x square derivative 2x. 2x derivative 2y square. And in the second case we can find out this one. We are getting final y square plus x square in this case. Now this is not equal to 0. Okay, this one. Second, x to the power 4, x to the power. Okay, means here is a 12x square minus 12y square getting. 12x square minus 12y square. This is not equal to 0. Means this option also not correct. Next here, x square plus y square. This become 2 plus 2 is not equal to 0. Why? Because here sign is a plus. Here sign is minus, then 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. This option is correct. Next here, 2x square derivative, first one, 2x minus 2y. Again take the prime, and then this become 2 minus 2 is equal to how much? 0. Just to substitute this value in this equation, then we are getting answer is equal to 0. This option is correct. Which of the following option is correct? X square minus y square is equal to, substituting this value in this dava square psi upon dava x square plus dava square psi upon dava y square is become 0.